Welcome to a journey of taste where every meal is a celebration of flavor and wellness. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Kingdom Keto. This is going to be the fastest Asian keto stir fry. We're going to make it, and it's going to taste just as good as the Chinese takeout restaurants. I'm choosing shrimp today. My shrimp have been cleaned, deveined, peeled, and they have been soaking in some lemon juice for a few minutes with a little salt on them. So they've cured just a smidgen, but they're going into the pan now. I'm going to be not only stir frying the shrimp, but I'm going to be taking some bok choy and some celery. I'm going to take some onion. I'm going to take some scallions and some chive. I'm going to do some red bell pepper today for some extra color and because it has high vitamin C. And I'm going to take some spinach. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put everything in now because, like I said, it doesn't take that long to stir fry this. I try to keep my shrimp on the bottom, but I'm going to go ahead and stir it just a smidgen. I'm turning my heat up. Linguine pasta. The only ingredient in it is the heart of palm vegetable. I like that it's in a pasta form, meaning that it's going to toss in here, look like a pasta, mock up like a pasta, but it's going to taste just like heart of palm. I like that for this particular stir fry, so I'm going to put a handful of that in there as well. I am going to talk about the sauce some. I got the idea from one of the Chinese takeout restaurants. Usually when I order something similar to this, if I ever went there and got a bunch of vegetables, there was like a clear stir fry sauce that always came on it. 1 cup of chicken broth. I wanted to take the time here to share with you the actual recipe for the stir fry slurry sauce. It's 1 cup of chicken broth. Season your ingredients in your broth to taste. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, fresh, or you could utilize the ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, a half teaspoon of xanthan gum. You're just going to blend all the ingredients together except the xanthan gum. On a stovetop, bring to a simmer for 2 minutes. Add the xanthan gum, whisk until it thickens, and then toss this slurry sauce over all your favorite low-carb vegetables and your choice of protein. Don't hang up. Here's what you need to know more than anything about this excellent keto Asian stir fry. Low-carb lo mein with grilled shrimp. Now in this recipe, your shrimp are very high source of omega-3. When you go to the market, choose a type of shrimp that's carb-free.